Yes, what a day, what a day, what a day. Coach Emin right here before you, 227 today, doing it. Matt is leading the way, shading the light graciously. And you're wondering, what is Matt? Matt is from your own ancestors. Matt is from your own land. Matt is the energy behind every energy. Science, technology, geometry, astrology, you name it. Matt was behind it. Practically everything was invented. Nothing's new under the sun. Practically everything was given to humanity. That medicine that can be able to cure you and heal you was already invented. It's not a new thing at all. Your ancestors knew it. In every land that you go to, they had an answer to their diseases. They didn't need to depend on anybody. They had the herbs that was able to do it. Okay, so but how did we gradually lose the power to be able to invent it, an antidote, an answer to whatever problem that we're going through, to whatever plague that is against us. How did we lose control? You see, under plagues, two things happening. Two things is happening in your life. Before I go on to review these two things, let me introduce myself. LTV Light team partner leading the way, Coach Emin. Matt leading the way, majestically. Okay? Be very, very careful. Be very patient with us. It's not going to be easy, but we are doing it. Remember, it's a 1001 day journey. Equally, remember that somebody felt that it is time. It is high time you beat the plagues, and it is high time you appreciate that now is the turning point to begin to go in a new direction. Okay, you can follow the link below this very message to connect back to your roots, or at the end of this very message to connect back to your roots. Okay. Many people are in debt today. Many people are suffering under the plagues. Many people do not have any answer to their problem. Many people have found themselves no longer in control in their land, in their economy, in their finances. Probably would define themselves as ruined, silently dying, because they appreciate the fact that they are falling from glory to grass, from grace to grass, from a doer to dust, one who does nothing on earth, only to take and take and take and take, only to eat and eat and eat and eat. But you see, this power was in us when Matt was present. We had the science, we had the technology. When Matt was present, we had the authority. Today, somebody sent you this very video. This video is reaching you today to make you. I mean, if you resonate, if you remember, if you can be able to connect back to your root, practically something is going to work right now in your life. Math is going to do the magic. You see, without math, you cannot be able to solve that very mathematics, that very equation, and balance it perfectly. That would make you live at a particular standard in life. Hey, 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 hey! It's time to realize your potentials. That's the only way you can rise above debt. For you to grow above debt, you must have a means that rises above your debt. You must have a means that rises above your debt. And if you do not have any means that is rising above your debt, let's say you owe $60,000, you must have an income of, let's say, $60,000 coming in, or $120,000 coming in. So you can be able to say, it's no debt at all. I can be able to satisfy it. But if not, practically, what you have to do is you have to look for a choice. Yesterday, you don't have any choice. What you have was choice. Church. What I call church. Because what you go into the church to do is to continue to give and give and give and give, but you don't receive and receive and receive. You see, our ancestors are not fools, The intention of planting the fruit crops that they plant, if it is just for ornamental purposes, you see, we all go hungry. But they plant to ornament and beautify. They also plant so that the trees can glow as oranges, so that their own children can be able to pluck from it. You go to church with the mindset to continue to give to the so-called dead. You give to the so-called priest that serve the dead. You give to the you continue to give and give and give. When will you receive, for goodness sake? If this question you have no clue, or you have no answer to it, or you're ready to answer it today, this is a call to action right now. Follow the link below. We have provided a way for you to get out of debt and to gain your freedom back. Follow the link below at the end of this video and do the right thing. Ank is leading the way. LTB Lighting Partner Member, Coach MM, signing off right now. I hope to see you again on the 228th day. Okay, remember this journey is for 1001 day. We will not be despaired. We are praying for you so that your inner eyes will come alive to recognize the powers that you have. And you begin to tap your potentials, your talent, your treasures, your time, your energy. Okay? Thank you so much for being with us. Coach Emmett signing off.